Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine and having a very good day. I welcome you all to my channel English Superstars. Today we are going to talk about synonyms. What are synonyms? Some examples along with an activity. So, synonyms means words with same meanings. So it's very simple. These are the words with same meanings. For example, small, little, happy, joyful, woman, lady, cold, chilly, fast, swift, sick, ill, wet, soaked. So all of these words are having same meanings. For example, it's a small dog, it's a little dog. Small puppy or a little puppy. Same thing. She's a great woman. She's a great lady. Same thing. She is sick or she is ill. Both means the same thing. So these are the words that have these same meanings. Let's see some other examples. Good, fine. If I say, how are you? You say, I'm good or I'm fine. Both means the same thing. Infant, baby. Select, choose. Accurate, correct. Always, forever. Connect, join. Clarify, explain. Fast, quick. These all are having the same meanings. Ill, sick, as I told you over here. Near, close. Start, begin. Raise, lift. Under, below. Large, big. Exit, leave. Present, gift. Alike, same. Stone, rock. Last, final. Easy, simple. False, untrue. Difficult, hard. Mistake, error. Occur, happen. Trip, journey. Sad, unhappy. Right? So all these words are having the same meanings. Now, in order to remember synonyms, you need to remember few words. For example, if somebody asks you what's the synonym of small, so you can say little. Right? Sad, unhappy. So you need to remember these words along with their synonyms. It's very simple. These are the words with same meaning. Alright, let's do an activity now in order to see whether you understand it or not. Match the words with their synonyms. Big, complete, quick, happy, glad, fast, large, finish. Big. Now what's the synonym of big? Glad, no. Fast, no. Large, Big, large. Because we talk about a big size, right? Complete. Finish, when you finish a task. To finish a work. Quick. Be fast. Happy, glad. So it was that simple. If you were able to guess these synonyms, means you really understood the words. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.